Okay, hello guys. For this chance, I will describe and tell you a little bit about debugging and show you how to demo with Visual Studio Code or Gitpad.io. Uh, if you want to read my blog, just click on the section below. I will write it over there. Okay, and then please jump to the code. First of all we need is to make a file. Yep, new file. Maybe hi.io. Okay. After that, we just wait for a second. Oh, I'm sorry. We have to rename it first. Rename. Sorry, it's not .io but .file. So it become a Python file. Okay, and then after that, just write some code like message, and then just write it like I work. For that, you can print. Sorry, you can print the message. Okay, like this. Okay, if you want to debugging first, you have to make the shortcut to debugging. Just press F5. It maybe take a little longer time, or you just can. Oh, just wait it. Okay, and just the Python file over here, so you can see. Just wait again. It take a little time. Okay, after that it's auto generate as a JSON file, and it was auto too. Okay, after that we just click the point break to check it. Like sometimes you debugging with print syntax or print syntax. Maybe it will works to see the result. It works or not, but actually you can see it with uh, point break over here. Oh, I see. You have to save it first. Okay, and then after that, uh, oh, I just want to tell you that uh, if it just use print to debugging, I think it doesn't work if the application is too big, or the the syntax that you write down it's more than 100 or 1,000 lines. It will take more time to debugging use print, and then or it had a looping more than 1,000 too. So maybe take a time to you just use a print syntax to write it down. Okay, after that, so I think you should do debugging like this. So maybe it take time first, but after that you will just push or click this little button and it will works. That's it. Okay, just first of all, just click this point break over here, and this will become some breakpoint. Why I put this? Because I want to see this print message it will works or not. Okay, just run it. Just click this button. Okay, wait, take time because I'm using Gitpad.io, or maybe my internet connection it's not good. Okay, after you run it, there will be some notification over here on your terminal, and then just wait again. Oh, Okay, you see there was a yellow, yellow, yellow icon over here. It is. It means the program stops over here on your breakpoints, and you can see in the thread it threads its main thread. It was on breakpoint. It's over here, and then you can see the costek module high.py over here. We can change the file, not just the current file, but you can change it like the name Python file that you have been made. We can do this later after this. Okay, after that you can see the variable over here. This is my part, I guess. The message show is hello world because I just print it. Maybe if you try to another syntax or another variable, it becomes another message over here. It show you the type and the other things, and okay, and the other thing, as you can check it later if you want to try it. Okay, you can see over here. You can see the type and the other things in this variable locals. Just try it with the variable or the other syntax. Okay, after that, uh, we can do watch. What is just like running syntax with your own syntax. I mean this. Okay, I will show you. Just click the plus button over here, and then write some syntax. Watch is just work for the syntax that have been passed by this yellow point or this yellow icon. Just wait for it, and then you can try like message dot split by space. Okay, it's okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm use the wrong. Okay, wait, does not work because there's the wrong syntax over there. Let's split by space. Okay, yep, over here. Oh, that works, but takes times too. Okay, that's the result. Hello world, hi dot I call hi. It becomes an array because I'm using split. Okay, or you can use print too if you want to check it out. Print the message over here. Yep, it's become hello world over here. And then after that, there's some button over here. It was continue, step over, step into, step out, and refresh. And the last one is stop. You can try it later with your own code, but I will show you just a little bit from here because if you want to understand, maybe I just show you the little bit to maybe just like a little bridge to understand the main things of over here. Okay, and then if you this is the program stop. If you want to run it, just continue. Okay, okay, it's already done. It's printed a hello world over here, just like that. Okay, just like that. Debugging. Some people is do debugging like I said before is using print or yep, it's just like using print to check it is error or not. But I think that's not good way because with print things you can see the type of it or the type of variable and the other things or yep, just like I said before too. It maybe it takes a long time to debugging. Why? Because the application or the program that will be made is made of by a lot of line of code. you have 1,000 code, you have to try it by printing one on one by to check it works or not. Or maybe you have been make a big a big code, a bunch of code, and then if you have to debugging it, you just print by one if it gets an error. Yep, it takes a long time, bro. Just do these things, and then it will help you and your debugging things in things will get better. um, or maybe it got looping, 1,000 of looping. Maybe it takes time, but you just have to well, make a dot and then just do these things. Maybe it takes time first, but yep, just like I said, it make you easier to do things after it. Okay. Oh, and I just want to show you for this once it's you can change it. Uh, you can change it as you want. Just it was like if you want to use Flash or Face API, maybe there's little things that you have changed over here. But because we just make a simple code of Python, and then we have to change it. First of all, it was the current file, but maybe it was when you make a lot of more than one .py file. Maybe when you want to run just like this one, if you have been made the other .py like ocr.py, and then if you just want to check it or run it the current file, then if you want to run the hi.py, but suddenly it, it uh, the debugging has write or run the ocr.py. Maybe when you get the trouble, you just can change this one to pi.py. That's it. You just change it to the name of file this one. If you want to debugging this file, or maybe you have to a lot of file and then you change it to as you want that you want to debugging. Just press save. Okay, because it's already stopped, you just have to run it again. Yeah, like I said, it will take a lot time for just wait for it. It's still running, and then okay, wait for it. Sorry, it was take time. We set it right. I got that. Yep, I think that should be works after all. But why it was not? Oh, I see. Once again, it should be okay. Wait. Hmm. Why it one works? So it becomes two because some okay, it already works. Maybe it was the server problem. I don't know. Okay, it works. When it says it, hide the pie, you run this one, and then there is the yellow icon over here. That means it works. That I want to run the file. Okay, just that's it. I think to debugging. Maybe you can try some uh, this argument. Maybe you can try some like or maybe you have to one message or and false then one. You have to bring it. Yeah, one, two. Okay. Oh, and then this one, this point break, it's just you can use more than one. On here, right here, on here, right here, as you wish, as more as you want, and then you just use this some like step into or continue or step out, so that to continue to read the code because it was stopped when it's got the breakpoint. Okay, I think that's it for the debugging things because some of the people that I know or that have been made it you say it do debugging with print things. I think that's fine, but it all works or it won't solve your problem as soon as you can, as soon as he can maybe. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Sorry if I use bad words or my grammar is bad and anything else. Okay, once again, if you want to read my blog, just click on the link below. Okay, after that, mm, oh, and if you want to ask about anything, just comment on the section, comment on the section, comment section if you want to ask something. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.